Let us see some different types of time and work problems. First type is simple work problems. If a person can complete a task in a certain time, you can calculate how long it would take for them to complete the work alone. For first type, this is an example. Look into the example once. If A can finish a task in 8 hours, what is the work rate of A? So first, we have to convert work done in 1 day of A. So the work done in 1 day of A is equals to 1 by total time required, which is equals to 1 by 8 per hour. Because here total hours is 8 hours, no? So 1 by 8 per hour is the total work done for A in 1 day. Next type, work done by multiple people or combined work. If 2 or more people are working together, you combine their work rates to find the total time to complete the task. So this is an example related to this model. If A can do a job in 4 hours and B can do it in 6 hours, how long will it take them to finish the job together? So first write down 1 day work for both A and B is equals to 1 by 4 and 1 by 6 days. So 1 day work for A is 1 by 4 and 1 day work for B is 1 by 6. We have to calculate combined work of combined 1 day work, which is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. If you take LCM for 4 and 6, we got 12. And after simplifying, we got 5 by 12. So in 1 day, they complete 5 by 12th of the job. Thus, the total time to finish this job is 12 by 5. Nothing but 2 days, 4 hours. Let us see type 3, work done by multiple people in a given time. Sometimes you are given how long people work together and how much work they complete. You can use this information to find out how much time it takes for them to complete the whole work. So this is a example related to this model. If A and B can together complete 3/4 of a task in 6 hours, how long will it take them to finish the entire task? In this question, both A and B together they finish 3/4 of a task in 6 hours. By using this information, we have to find total time to complete this task. Look into the since part. Total time is equals to, here 6 hours they took, no? So 6 hours by 3 by 4th of the work. After simplifying this, we got 8. So we have to convert the total thing in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, both A and B can together they complete 1 by 8th of the work. So in 6 hours, how much they completed means we have to multiply this 6 hours to 1 by 8. So we got 6 by 8. After cancellation, we got 3/4 of the work is completed in 6 hours. Next we need to calculate in 8 hours. For 8 hours, how much they complete means we have to again multiply this 8 hours to the 1 hour work, that is 1 by 8 into 8, we got 8 by 8. After cancellation, we got 1. So here 1 refers the full task is completed or full work. This work is completed in 8 hours. Let us see the third question. P, Q and R do a work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. How many days does it need to complete the work? If P does the work and he is assisted by Q and R on every third day. In this question, they directly mentioned there are 3 persons are there, P, Q and R. They can do their work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. Whereas along with this, they also mentioned here P works alone for the first 2 days. On every third day, he took help by Q and R. So by using this condition, they ask us to find how many days is required to complete this task. So how to solve this problem means, first calculate the work done by P, Q and R individually in one day. Then calculate the work done in a cycle of 3 days. And finally determine the number of days to complete the entire work. For that, first calculate individual work rate. So 1 day work rate for P, Q and R is, using that formula we can write it as 1 by 20, 1 by 30 and 1 by 60. These are the 1 day work rate for P, Q and R. Now I already told you, first 2 days P work alone. On every third day he took help by Q and R. So P is working alone and every third day Q and R is helping him. So we have to find work completed in every 3 days. First 2 days P work alone. That means work done is 2 into 1 by 20 plus on third day all the 3 persons are involved. So all the 3 persons 1 day work is involved. So just write down 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. After cancellation we got 1 by 20 plus, and if you take LCM for 20, 30, 60 we got 60. So after simplifying we got 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 60. So 1 by 10 plus, after adding numerator value we got 6 by 60. Cancellation 6th table, second part we got 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. Since denominators are same, adding the numerator terms, so 2 by 10. After cancellation in 2 table we got we got 1 by 5. So on every third day number of how many cycles he completed means 1 by 1 by 5, which means 5 cycles is completed on every third day. So total days is equals to 5 into 3, which is equals to 15 days. It means work will be done in 15 days. Look into the fourth question. A and B can finish a work for 30 days. If they work together for 20 days and then B left. A finished the remaining work in another 20 days. In how many days A alone can finish the work? In this question, what we are solving for means the number of days A alone takes to finish the work. So what is the given condition or given in the problem means, what are the given conditions in the problem means, here A and B can finish the work together in 30 days. Next point, A and B work together for 20 days. Third point, the given A finish the remaining work in 20 days. So how to solve this means, first calculate the fraction of work done by A and B together, then find the remaining work and calculate how long A takes to complete the whole work. First write down A and B completes the work in 30 days given in the question, right? So we have to write 1 day work for A and B, that is 1 by 30. So after got 1 day work for A and B, we have to calculate for 20 days work done by A and B. That means we have to multiply this 1 day work done by 20 days, means 20 into 1 by 30. After simplifying 20 by 30, 0 cancel, the leftover part is 2 by 3rd. So remaining work means 1 minus 2 by 3. Have we written 1 means here we treated 1 is the whole work. So we have to subtract 2/3 of the work from the whole work. That means 1 by 2 by 3. After simplifying we got 1 by 3 is the remaining part of the work. So now this remaining part A completes 1/3 of the work in how many days means 20 days. Now we have to find 1 day work rate for A, which is equals to 1 by 3 by 1/3 of the work by total days is 20 days, so 20 days. After simplifying we got 1 by 60 days. Therefore we conclude A can completes the whole work in 60 days. Let us see the conclusion of this chapter. Find the rate of work for each individual. Second point, combined rates when multiple people or machines are involved. Third point is use the reciprocal of combined rates to find the total time taken to complete the task. Practice problems. Just go through all these 6 practice problems and try to solve yourself. Thank you all for sparing your valuable time to listen this.